Hello everyone. Okay, I'm going to go for my third fire up now after reworking my ECUs and see how she goes here. Been a long journey, so wish me luck. Time, iPod's on. Let's turn on the key. Now of course we're going to have some warning lights on because of certain things aren't done yet. So don't have any vapors there, British, online there. Okay, here we go. I'll just say no, I have the brake pedal bypassed. That's why it doesn't say apply brake pedal. I still have to put in my new master cylinder. All right, here we go. Firing up. Nice. A little loud. I hope the upstairs lady doesn't have a conniption now. All right. Beautiful. You have no idea how happy I am. Talk to you all soon.